The Meghalaya Human Rights Commission is likely to make recommendations to the district administration for rehabilitating the people whose dwelling houses were dismantled at Loam survey recently. Talking to media, Mhrc chairperson Justice Retired T. Vaipe said that they are likely to visit the people who are residing at Loam survey after the counting of the Lok Sabha polls. He said that they will also wait and study on the report submitted by the government on this case, and that none of the people who are residing at Loam survey have come forward to file a petition with the commission. According to him, the hands of the commission are tied in suo motu case, adding that unless somebody comes forward and provides evidence, then the commission will not be able to do anything.
That we have not received a report. Received the report, and then let's see what further action is open to us. That is very unfortunate. Somebody should come forward, because in a suo motu case our hands are tied. Because every decision, every recommendation to be made by us has to be supported by evidence brought before us. And unless somebody come forward and give his evidence, there is nothing we can do. It cannot be a one-sided inquiry.